We could guide short practice of this, what I just explained, and then meanwhile, um, some question I will take afterwards, some questions, so then you can start to think about those questions. Um, but not think about those questions during the meditation. But those you cannot, not help to think, then you can think about the questions. But those you can't have some control, not think about the question, and the question will spontaneously arise. Okay, so sit comfortably. 3 times do the same breathing. Breathe in deep, hold, re-inhale, hold comfortably as long as you can. Breathe it out from your nostril and release the tension of your body, your breath, and your mind. 3 times. Just be aware of the stillness, silence, and spaciousness, and look at all the objects of your ego, pain, fear. Just dissolve everything into light. Just one, take time, dissolve one very clearly into the light, and the light dissolves in your body. Go to the second very clearly and dissolve into your body. And then gradually you're in every part of one by one, every part of your body dissolve into light, into one single sphere of light in your forehead. Once you feel very clearly about that, then let that sphere of light it's like explodes, like into the boundless space and dissolves into the space. And then in that space, nothing more than simple, pure presence of light. In that unbounded space, there is a presence of light. Okay. So, as practice is very simple, I hope that you will apply this as much as possible in your life. So